stand here, please.
Parents, can you please mind the children next to you?
Hello, hello.
Stop talking.
No, stand here, please. Stand this side. You can sit there, no problem. There. Please stand here. You can sit here, stand here, no problem. And focus on it.
Okay, are you ready? Did you finish talking? Yes? Why aren't you talking? Say something to me. Are you ready? Will you stop talking? Will you stop talking? We're sitting here to do puja until we finish. And I tell you, please follow the instructions. No talking. If you need something, just raise your hand. Very seriously, you're being live televised, everybody's watching you, okay? So please behave yourselves, not just for that. Number one, discipline, right? Before you start any puja, even for sports they need discipline. So this is puja, you know? Very, very important. Just join your hands. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Think of Ganesha. Think of the Ganesha form. Stop talking at the sides. Please, sidelines, don't talk. Parents, please stop talking. If you can help. Yes, everybody, pin drop silence, please. Join your hands. I'm not looking at everybody joining their hands. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Think of Ganesha. If you do not have a pencil or a book or Ganesha idol, if you're doing the puja, please raise your hand. Somebody will come and help you. Okay? Put Ganesha. Just join your hands and think of Ganesha. Just think, Om Ganeshaya Namaha, just in your own mind. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Please, no talking, you started talking again. Absolute pin drop silence, we're going to start the puja. Everybody has a book, pencil and Ganesha? Yes. What do you need? Just raise your hand. Please help him, Chandu.
Please repeat. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhavante Raja Varuna. Dhavante Bhaspatihi. Dhavanta Indrashchagvishcharashtum dharayatam dhruvam. Parvata Ivavitadalehi. Indra Ive. Tishta Iharashramudaraya. Abhitishta Purvanyataha. Adhare Sandushatravaha. Indra Iha Vatraha Tishta. Devem Vajamadanajan Tadevaha. Tam Vishwarupa Pasavo Bhatanti. Kano Mandreshamo Chanduhana. Dhenarvagasmana Patashtavedo. Children, please repeat. Ayam Arambaha Muhurtaha Sumuhurtaha Asviti Bhavantaha Anugrunnantu Mahaganapataye Namaha Prarthanan शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Please pray for Ganesha. Om Shubhabhyam Shmare Muhurtadya Brahmana Dhiryavraharte Shve.
Please take the akshata, the yellow rice in your hand, and just very carefully with the right hand. And also only a few grains, like 3 or 4 grains. Don't keep pouring. 3 or 4 grains every time he says Namaha. When he says Namaha, put the 2 or 3 grains on Ganesha until he finishes chanting the mantra. He will chant one all week mantra of Ganesha as Totra. Okay? So please take a few grains in your right hand, and every time he says Namaha, then you offer the grains of Akshata to Ganesha idol.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shubhabhyam Shmare Muhurtadya Brahmana Dhiryavraharte Shvetavrah Kalpe Vaivaspatamantare Indragande Draudadvipe Ramanakavarashe Namatta Harihara Brahmana Gurudevata Sannidau Srimado Shri Nandanamatramattarasyaam Lakshanaayine Varasarto Nijabhadhavanamādhe Tattvamakshedhyashtam Yamasyaam Shubhaditokula Chatrayuktayam Shubhanakshatrajabayoga Shubhakarna Evam Guna Visheshena Vishittayam Masyaam Shubhaditau Mopadhamatta Dakshettvara Shri Parameshwara Priyatham Shri Mahavallabha Ganapati Devata Uddishya Mahavallabha Ganapati Devata Priyatham Dhyanamavahanadi Upachara Pujam Karishye. Children, please repeat. Mama Janma Nakshatre Janma Rasho Jatasya. Please repeat your name. Mama Namadeyasya Mama Sankalpita Prakarena Asmin Divase Maha Vallabha Ganapati Devalayo Sannidho Mahaganapati Upachara Puja Karishye Mama Sadvidya Vagdevi Medha Shakti Prapyatham Mahaganapati Sahita Kuladevata Anugrahata Siddhyartham Mahaganapati Puja Karishye Namo Namaha Ganeshaya Namaste Shivasunave Maya Arabdham Idam Puja Nirvignam Kuru Sarvada Prarthana Samarpayami. Pray for Ganesha.
Okay, take a few grains like I told you before of Akshata in your right hand. Don't keep taking a whole lot and pouring. Just very gently. As we done properly. See, from your atma to offering. So like this. Okay? Don't pour it like that. Just start doing it. Okay? Just take a few grains. Close your eyes and at the speed. Okay?
Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Namahe Kavingavenam Upamashmapastamam Jeshtharatam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashranmanno Tapasya Satanam Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Vakrtundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dantyah Prachodayat Asmin Himve Om Bhoho Ganapatin Jayami Upaha Mahaganapatin Jayami Subaha Mahaganapatin Jayami Bodhavattavaha Mahaganapataye Namaha Dhyayami Dhyan Samarpayami Avahayami Rattasimha सिंहासनं समर्पयामि पादारविन्दयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि हस्तारविन्दयोः आद्यमर्घ्यं समर्पयामि मुखे आचमनीयं समर्पयामि समर्पयामि स्नानं समर्पयामि अपवित्रपवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान्ततोऽपि वा स्मरे पुण्डरीकाक्षं त्याद्धुन्दरशुचिः स्नानं समर्पयामि स्नानाङ्ग आचमनीयं समर्पयामि वस्त्रार्थम् अक्षरान् समर्पयामि उपवीतार्थम् अक्षरान् समर्पयामि आभरणार्थम् अक्षरान् समर्पयामि समस्तमङ्गलद्रव्याणि समर्पयामि नामपूजां करिष्ये। Children repeat. Om Ganeshaya Namaः Om Vignarajaya Namaः Om Dhumraketave Namaः Om Ganadhyakshaya Namaः Om Bhalachandraya Namaः Om Gadine Namaः Om Varadaya Namaः Om Shashvataya Namaः Om Krutine Namaः Om Parvati Shankarotsanga Kela Lala Namaः Om Maha Ganapataye Namaः Nama Puja Samarpayami Om Ganeshaya Namaः Padau Pujayami Om Ekadanta Namaः Anani Pujayami Om Naraja Namaः Change Pujayami Om Etamba Namaः Katim Pujayami Om Gananatha Namaः Nabhi Pujayami Om Vignaraja Namaः Samasta Upachara Samarpayami Om Ganadhipa Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Om Umaputra Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Om Ishaputra Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Om Ekadanta Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Om Idhavaktra Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Om Sarvasiddhi Pradayaka Namaः Durvayugman Pujayami Samasta Upachara Pujam Samarpayami.
Okay, you just finished offering puja and Ashtotranama for Ganesha. So this is the normal ritual in any Hindu house, right? How you do the puja. So the parents and the children, you can learn and you can do the same at home if you have an altar, okay? So now we're going to write the mantra. Right, open your books quietly. Take the pencil in your hand, in your right hand. If you're left-handed, of course you have to write with your left hand. Slowly, no noise, no noise. Parents of the older kids, please help out the younger ones. I will spell it out for you. and you will write. And make sure you use this book very, very nicely. Okay, put it on your study table. It brings you a lot of luck. Believe me, my children are in college now, but you know, in their name I still do the puja. They grew up here. I see the little kids here, you know. They used to do the puja, now they have little kids. I see all these youngsters who grew up and they're working in Wall Street and all kinds of things, right? We have a whole batch. So, children who've done puja here have become doctors, lawyers, and all kinds of positions. This brings you lots of luck. So children, no talking. So please, with all your heart, with all sincerity, okay, you must pray with a clean heart. You must ask Ganesha for the blessings. So that means we have to follow some rules, instructions, and follow some discipline. Okay? So please sit straight, get your pencil. Are you ready? Yeah? I know school's open, but you could still use this book, alright? It's going to bring you a lot of luck. Repeat the mantra with the priest and then I will spell it for you.
Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha.
Okay, everybody knows the spelling for Om? Yes. Okay, write down O. M like for Maruti. Om. Can you please? No, I'm just saying M4. So you know which M it is. Somebody help this kid. Can you write? Hello? Can you write O-M? Help him. O-M, Om, Maha. Next word, Maha Vallabha. M like? Buddhi. Just telling you the word, what it stands for. A like Anjaneya. H like Hari. M-A-H-A. V like victory. V-A-A. L like Lakshmi. L again, double L. Please no talking. I will repeat again and again. So please listen to me carefully. Go slowly. You got Maha Vallabha. V-A-L-L-A. B-H-A. Maha Vallabha. Om Maha Vallabha. Should I spell again? M-A-H-A. What pencil, one more pencil there. Maha, anybody need pencil? Okay. The pencil not writing. Please help out volunteers, Suman. How far have you come? Maha Vallabha. Yeah? M-A-H-A-V-A-L-L-A-P-H-A. Ganapataye. G-A-N-A. N like Nandi. N like Nageshwari or Nandi. N A like Ajane. Gana. N-A. P like Parvati. P-A-T. Tulasi. Like Tulasi. A again. Y like yellow. E like elephant. Ganapataye. I will repeat. G-A-N-A-P-A-T-A-Y-E. Ganapataye. Raise your hand if you need pencil. Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye. I will say. G-A-V-A-L-L-A-B-H-A, Vallabha. Ganapataye, write down now. G-A-N-A-P-A-T-A-Y-E. Y-E. T-A-T-A. You got it? No talking. Please don't talk. Om Mahavallabha Ganapataye Namaha and Nandi. Namaha. M like Maruti. A like Anjaneya. H like Hari. A like Anjaneya. Nama means I prostrate behind you. Namaste before you. Got it? Yeah? Everybody, let's hear some talk. Is everybody ready? No? Om Mahavallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Can you please help out each other? The older kids? Do you have it here in the front? Yeah? Everybody has it? Help her, no red. She got it. She got it. Everybody, are you ready? Okay, repeat 3 times. Come on. Om. Loudly. Om Mahavallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Om Mahavallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Om Mahavallabha Ganapataye Namaha.
Please repeat, children. Om Maha Saraswatyai Namaha.
Okay, now we're going to spell. Come on, hurry up, okay? Because you want to listen and all that, right? Ready to write? Om. Next line, next line. You always pray and Goddess Saraswati. Everything connected with knowledge and education presented in Hindu religion by Ganesha and Saraswati. Okay? So your special prayers, children should specially pray to Ganesha and Saraswati to acquire good knowledge and education. Okay? And what does that mean? Very good grades at school? Yeah? Colleges? And jobs, right? Then we can think of the higher spiritual things, higher philosophy. Right now, you have to do the simple things in life. O-M. Maha, M-A-H-A. Maha Saraswati. That's a little difficult, so just listen to me. S-A-R-A. What do you mean? Somebody needs a pencil.
So she asked my father's class, first name also.
S like sun. A-R-A. S like sun again. W. A. T like Tulsi. T. Saraswati. T-Y-E. Saraswati. Namaha. Again the same word like you had before. No talking. No talking. Om Maha Saraswati Namaha. You got it? Over there in the back, did you get it? Om Maha
While the other Gita also.
Saraswati. Okay, S like sun. Okay, S-A-R-A-W-A-T-Y-E. T-Y-E. Saraswati Namaha. N-A, excuse me, could you please sit properly? Sit properly. Namaha. N-A-M-A-H-A. Namaha. Got it? Ready? So repeat with the priest.
Children repeat. Om Maha Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Maha Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Maha Saraswatyai Namaha. Repeat the shloka. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddharbhavatu Me Sada Yakundendu Tushara Haradavala Ya Shubhra Vastranvita Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara Ya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahma Achyuta Shankara Prabhutivihi Devaihi Sada Pujita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadya Paha Shveta Padmasana Devi Shveta Pushpa Upashobita Shvetambaradhara Nitya Shveta Gandhanu Lepana Saraswati Namasyami Chetananam Rudisthitham Kantastham Padyoye Stuhi Makara Priyam Sada Shuklamalyam Varadharam Sarvam Deva Namaskrutam Maha Saraswati Devi Bhakyatam Prana Mamyaham Vatamula Nivaso Yo Lokana Prabhuravyaihi Dakara Rupani Dakara Rupini Medha Dakshina Murtaye Namaha Prarthana Samarpayami.
So you just finished offering prayer to Ganesha and Saraswati. So after we have the kids sing the song, we'll do the Arati and Naivedya. So please volunteers help me. Just raise your hands those who want to sing a song or shloka or say something about Ganesha, but you'll have only 20 seconds. You cannot go on and on. Just raise your hands and stay where you are. We'll come and get you. Only 6 people. Even 5 maybe. Okay, do we see the hands raised? Please bring the pictures, please. Okay? Just appreciate it. These songs are being offered to Ganesha. We're singing in his praise. So please be patient and be a good audience. Sorry children and parents, we have interrupted you. It's only 10 seconds because everybody wants to sing, so we're giving a chance. But all of us can get together, I think from the first batch and the second batch, sit in front of Ganesha before the Aarti time today, and we can all sing the full songs. What are you going to sing? Only 1 or 2 lines allowed. Look at this line, my God. Come on. Hurry up.
Gajananam Pudari Sevidam Kavita Jambu Palasara Kashidam Masadam Soga Vinasakaranam Mave Vineshwara Padapakam.
Sarah is going to sing a song. Okay, Shloka.
Om Namo
Divya is going to sing a song for Saraswati.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करस्वामी शिशिरभवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्र विशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरी वदनी नित्यं पद्मालया देवी सामं पातु सरस्वती. शरणस्य विनायका शरण विद्याप्रदायका शरण पार्वतीतने मूर्ति शरणो विनायका.
Very good. The future MS Subbulakshmi.
मूषिका वाहन मोदका हस्त चामर घटना विडपित सुत वक्मरूप महेश्वर
Watch where you're walking, please.
गुरुबामा वैष्णव गुरुदेव मंडला कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी करामूले सरस्वती कराम तडियेत गोविंदम प्रभाते करदर्शनम.
Very good. They're brief and nice.
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. विघ्नहर्ता मंगल दाता गणपति नमः.
शुक्ला कृष्ण
Please maintain silence. Get ready. Sit up straight. Okay, that's it then. Okay, this is it. Last. Okay.
देवी सरस्वती भाषे देवादिदेवती गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम.
Okay, kids, please sit up straight now. The aarti is going to go on, okay? Join your hands. Join your hands. Close your eyes. No. The most important part of the puja. This is going to in and video.
ओम ढोल सिदूर विश्वामित्र ऋषिः सविता देवता गायत्री छन्दः ओम तमः तस्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य विद्योजन प्रचोदयात् सत्यं सत्यं प्रतिज्ञामि मृत्युस्तोमृतो वस्त्रमवधि स्वाहा ओम राणाय स्वाहा स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा उदानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा महागणपति देवता इत्यर्थं यथा भागशः काश्मीर फल नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि नवारक्ष नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि मध्यम अभूषणस्तरक्षणं वारक्षं मुराजं समर्पयामि भोगे प्रथमायुक्तं नागवल्लीजलेरसं कर्पूरगमसंयुक्तं ताम्बूलं प्रतिगृह्यताम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो दधातु हे राज वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः यो वै राघौ स्वरप्रोक्तो वेदान्ते प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिमीनस्य यः परस्य महेश्वरः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् महात्मये नमः वेदोक्तं पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि निःश्रुते तच्छृण्वते पदे प्रकृष्टपापनाशाय प्रकृष्टफलसिद्धये प्रदक्षिणं करोमि त्वा प्रतीतगमनायक अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष गणाधिपा अनेककोटि प्रार्थननमस्कारं समर्पयामि ओम पूजां देवं समर्पयामि क्षामं समर्पयामि नृत्यं समर्पयामि नाट्यं समर्पयामि आन्दोलनं समर्पयामि स्वारोहं गजारोहण पंचांगश्रवण समस्तरायोपचार शक्तोपचार भक्तोपचार षोडशोपचारान् समर्पयामि यत्सत्कृत्याचरणोक्तरव पूजाक्रियादिषु योनं सम्प्रदाम्याति विद्यावन्दनं चरणं मन्त्रेण क्रियाहीन भक्तिरुजनार्दना यकृतन्तमयादेव परिपूर्णदस्मि अनेनाचरिता महागणपति देवता उपचार पूजा सांगदादिध्यर्थं सुप्रीतार्पणं वरदा भवन्तु हेमन्तुन्दागरवर्णा ध्याननेमानवदो शाधुनात्रिक्तानामत्रया मन्त्रजपं करिष्याच्युतान् महन्दर्मगोविन्दान् महाच्युतान् महन्दर्म महागोविन्दान् महाच्युतानन्त गोविन्देभ्यो नमः
श्री महावल्लभ गणपति की श्री महावल्लभ गणपति की वेरी गुड even louder श्री महावल्लभ गणपति की now the priest is going to bless you and this is really, believe me children, you're really blessed. Okay, today is a special day for you. Okay, from here on every day in the puja room you have to pray to Ganesha and Saraswati and then write something in that book, Om Ganapataye Namaha, and then go to school. It will bring you lots of luck.
Om Shatamanam Bhavati Shataja Purusha Shatendriya Ayushevendriyai Pratitishthati Rudyasma Havye Namasavadadya Mitram Devam Mitratheyanno Astu Anuradhan Avishavadayantaha Shatam Devev Sharadattaviraha Sandvasumja Vidisha Pradama Yurdhananja Agumhomuche Pravarema Manisha Moshishkadavam Nektam Singrananaha Idamindra Pratihavyam Grabhaya Satya Yajamaanasya Kamaha Yajamanasya Kumarasya Kumaryaha Tadvidha Veda Shakti Prapti Rastu Vagdevi Paripurna Anugrahata Kripa Kataksha Pala Siddhi Rastu.
So the priest just telling you, he blessed and he said, whatever wish you have or desire, it'll be fulfilled. Okay? So just think of the desire in your heart. Say again to Mahavallabha Ganapati to Namaste. Very quietly put all the puja samagri in your bag. And thank you so much for being so cooperative and good. And do not get up from your seat. I will tell you how to go out and get your prasadam. Be seated wherever you are. Okay, come and start packing. Volunteers, please send. Please help them to pack their puja samagri, please.